Hi everyone! Stop overcomplicating your automation. You don't always need a fancy API to move your data. Today we are going under the hood to connect n8n directly to a SQL database. We'll be setting up our backend in Superbase and building a workflow that reads and syncs data from Google Sheets without a single line of backend code. Let's dive in. First, let's prepare our destination. In Superbase, we are creating a new table named leads. We need to define our columns clearly: ID, name, email, status, and row number. This structure is what n8n will interact with, so making sure your data types match is key for a smooth sync. Now we connect n8n using the PostgreSQL node. Enter your credential from your Superbase settings. Grab your host, database, user, and password, and since this is a cloud database, always toggle SSL to on to keep your connection encrypted and secure. And before we add new data, we need to be able to read what's already there. We use the execute query node to run a select statement. For example, we can pull all leads that are already marked as synchronized. This allows n8n to verify existing data or pull records to generate reports and emails. And here is the result. And now for our sync task, our source here is the Google Sheets. We only want to process rows where the statue is new. In n8n, the Google Sheets node acts as our extract phase, pulling the specific rows so we can move them into our SQL environment. And to load this data, we write a custom insert statement. By writing the code manually, we have total control. We'll inject the name, email, status, and row number directly from our sheet into the SQL command. This pushes our data straight into our database tables in real time. Finally, we need a feedback loop. After the data is safely in our database, we run an update query. This changes the status to synchronize in our database, and we will update our Google Sheets too. This ensures we never process the same lead twice, keeping our automation 100% accurate. This is a professional ETL pattern. Extract from sheets, transform the logic, and load it into SQL. n8n acts as the intelligent bridge, managing your data pipeline without the need for expensive, complex API services. And directly connecting n8n to your database via SQL gives you total control, faster execution, and zero API costs. It's a foundational skill for any automation engineer. In our next video, we are going even deeper into data automation. Thank you for watching.